Crazy chickens, y'all. Let's see what happened. Crazy chickens. 75 cents. Come on. I'm only gambling $10. Oh, Foghorn Leghorn made his appearance. Oh no, the dice game calling me. No more bets. Oh, right when you was about to give up. You was just about to give up.
That was good. Multiplier.
I like lying to them saying, it's my last spin, I'm going home. Didn't work. Oh, they stick too. Alright, we down to the last 2 spins. My first egg, man, dude. That's the third one, really. Last thing. Alright, enough to keep me going. Alright, $10 last spin. Oh, kings. Okay, that gives me another spin. And that's it. Crazy chickens.